Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to be talking about proper beard care and exploring beard grooming tips for beginners and veterans alike. If you're picturing lengthy routines and loads of products, don't worry. Caring for a beard is really simple. We'll be focusing on just 3 areas: cleansing your beard, taming your beard and beard aftercare. These areas will be incorporated into a 3-step beard care routine where we'll dive into beard care tips, styling tips and all the little bits of guidance you need to set up your routine. If you've got a full beard like me, taking care of your beard can feel like a bit of a chore, but it doesn't need to be. Just take it step by step, and the first step is to make sure you've got quality products in your arsenal. It's half the battle in knowing how to look after your beard. So, what do you need to take care of your beard? First, you need a softening beard wash and clean water to help keep your face and your facial hair clean and healthy. Then you need a comb, towel and maybe even a hairdryer to work on the style of your beard. Finally, you need a nourishing beard serum or beard oil to keep the hair soft and supple after it's been styled or trimmed. This is an essential part of taking care of your beard, so don't neglect it. If you plan to trim or shave your facial hair as part of your beard care process, if the length or shape needs a little touch up, for example, then you'll also need a shaver. The Philips One Blade Pro 360 is our pick as it guarantees precision when you're styling your beard. Now that you've got everything you need, it's time to get started. First, you need to clean your beard using your beard wash. Begin by getting your beard wet. Once your beard is wet, take a small amount of beard wash in the palm of your hands like this. Rub it around a little and then massage it into your beard. For those of you with thick beards, make sure you get right into the roots like this. Cleaning our beards with a beard wash helps prepare the facial hair for the next step and is really important, so don't be tempted to skip this step. We recommend you wash your beard for a full minute, which is something you should also do with any facial cleansers you might be using for the rest of your face. When you're done with your 1-minute wash, rinse out your beard and make sure there are no soapy suds left behind. Now we're done with the cleansing part of the routine, all that's left is to use a microfiber towel, like this one, or a hairdryer for a quick dry. Try to keep your beard hair a little damp if you can. This will help absorb the beard oil in the next step. This guide is all about beard care, but if you're planning on trimming or shaving at all, this is the point in your routine when you should do it. We have a couple other videos on different beard styles that you can check out if you want more beard tips. Once again, make sure you have the right tools ready if you're planning on shaving or trimming. The Philips One Blade Pro 360 ensures you'll get sharp lines and clean cuts. The adjustable comb here means you can trim, edge or shave from 0.4 to 10mm in 20 steps. Pause this video now if you need to give yourself a little trim up, then come back to this beard care routine. Our next part of the beard care and maintenance routine is all about beard oils and beard serums. Now, you might be wondering, what's the difference between a beard oil and a beard serum? Can they be used at the same time, or should they be? Beard serums are usually best for those with thinner or thinning beards, as they may contain ingredients designed to try to stimulate hair growth. In comparison, beard oil is usually a mixture of essential oils that help hydrate the hair and the skin underneath. Today, we're going to be using beard oil. You can get any type of oil you like: almond, blackseed or lavender. Lavender is especially great for nighttime routines as it's got a really relaxing scent. Once you've chosen your preferred beard oil or serum, take a couple of drops into your hand and massage it into your beard just like this. Really take your time here and enjoy the process of treating your beard. And make sure, once again, you're getting into the roots of your beard for maximum effect. Here's a bonus beard tip for you to remember. Use a beard comb to gently detangle and brush your beard to help distribute the product more evenly. See how we're doing it here? Keep brushing your beard hair into the style that you want, whilst making sure that all the beard oil is reaching down to the root. And that's our full 3-step process of how to look after a beard. The great thing about this routine is that you can personalize it to your own needs and modify the steps that suit you. Learning how to take care of your beard should be a flexible process. So if one day you decide you want to swap out the beard oil for a serum, do it. Just make sure you're combing thoroughly to get all those beard hairs soft and supple. Follow us for more inspiration and make sure you check out our other videos like how to style a full beard or how to style a Van Dyke beard. You can also visit the Philips website linked in the description below for even more guides and advice on your home grooming experience. Finally, don't forget to drop a comment and tell us how you take care of your beard. Thanks for watching.